Ojo.
How are you?
You know tomorrow is Christmas, so.
Okay.
And give me money so I'll go to the market and buy things for the children.
It's Jesus Christ's birthday. It's not your birthday. And moreover, you want me to give you my money so that you go and embezzle them, Abi?
Me embezzle money?
I will do the buying by myself.
I don't understand.
Okay, don't worry. Watch me do this. Where are they? Otumu. Omwemu. Ozigbo. Very good. Betesh. Sukuduluku. Apina.
But they are playing. Now you leave them alone.
Apinaski. Say that place. Very good. Iguana. Betesh. Where is the last one? Modion. Modion. Modion, Jordan. Do you know what? Say surprise. Very good. Oh, yeah.
Broom. What are you doing with a broom?
I'll use it to flog you. Let me take measurement of their leg.
See, I am their mother. I know their various shoe sizes.
You know nothing.
I don't know anything. But if it's inside the room now, I know everything, right?
That's the only place you are active.
Don't worry.
That's why I love you.
Don't worry.
Bring your leg, don't mind mother. Bring your leg. Next. 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 Go. As you receive, you go. Just take. Don't worry, you know your leg is very big. I have a surprise for you. One of my old shoes, I will give you.